Hello friends, I'm Rohit. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the direction control of induction motor. It is basically the continuation of magnetic control. So without wasting any time, let's switch to the topic. So to change the direction of rotation, we need to basically change the phase sequence. So to achieve that, I have designed a very simple circuitry. So let's focus to that. This one is the power circuit and this one is the control circuit as stated earlier. So now we will see the power circuit. In this circuitry, I have placed two contactors. If this contactor is turned on, the motor will receive RYB phase and it will rotate in forward direction. And if this contactor is turned on, the motor will receive RBY phase and it will rotate in reverse direction. Okay, so to control these contactors, I have designed this control circuitry. So now let's focus to the control circuitry. Here I have used NC contact of overload relay, then I have used NO contact of single phasing preventer, then stop push button, then forward push button, and parallel to that is NO contact of forward contactor, then NC contact of reverse contactor. Parallel to that is reverse push button, and parallel to the reverse push button is the NO contact of reverse contactor. These two contacts are basically for latching the contactors, and this NC contact of forward contactor, then finally both the contactors. Okay, so now these contacts are basically for interlocking system. Well, why interlocking? Interlocking is very much necessary because if accidentally both the push buttons are pressed simultaneously, both the contactor will be energized simultaneously and there will be short circuit. So to prevent that, I have used this contacts for interlocking. Means when forward push button is pressed, then we can't press the reverse push button, and if reverse push button is pressed, we can't press the forward push button. So now let's see the operation. At first I will power this bus, and what will happen? The current will flow to the single phasing preventer, and as the single phasing preventer will get activated, it will change its contact state. Means from NO it will become NC like this. Then I will press the forward push button. Then what will happen? This forward contactor will get energized and its contact state will change. This will become NC, this will become NO, and these contacts will become NC, and the motor will run in forward direction. And now if we press the reverse push button, the motor will not start since the circuit is incomplete. Okay. Now to run the motor in reverse direction, at first we need to stop the motor. See, I will stop the motor. As this push button is spring return, it will come back to its original condition and the contactor will get latched by this contact, by this contact. Okay, means the current will flow like this from here to here and to the contactor. Now I want to rotate the motor in reverse direction. What I have to do? I have to first stop the motor. See, I have stopped the motor. What will happen? This contactor will get de-energized and its state of the contactor will change like this. Means this will come back to its original position, means from NO to NC, from NC to NO, and from NC to NO like this. What had happened? The motor has come to rest. As it is spring return, it will come back to its original position. Now I will press reverse push button. See, I pressed reverse push button. What will happen? This reverse contactor will get energized and its contacts state will change like this. It will become NC, it will become NO, and all these contacts will become NC like this, and the motor will run in reverse direction. Is it clear? And if we press this forward push button, this contactor will not get energized because the contact of this reverse contact has become NO, means it has break this circuit, so it will not get energized and there will be no short circuiting. Okay, this is the basic concept. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.